Hello Aqua friends, welcome to my channel. My name is Nicole and today I have a beginner's project for you, super simple. We're going to do a watercolor dandelion silhouette, wet on wet background. This is a great opportunity to practice your washes, to get an even wash. So I am using Burnt Sienna for my wash. Once I have this wash down and I want a gradiated wash, meaning we're going to start really light on the top and it's going to be darker towards the bottom, sort of like a sunset. We're going to let that dry and then we're going to come in and do the silhouette. I chose to use sepia for the silhouette. It's a very dark, muddy brown, and it just goes really good with the burnt sienna. I'm using a very fine brush to produce the tiny dandelion fluffs. I'll have a link of the detail brush in the description below. As you know, watercolor does dry lighter, and so I did go over the main stems and parts of the dandelion silhouette twice to get it dark enough. And basically that is it. It is just a very fast, fun project, but it is just so beautiful in its simplicity. I hope you enjoyed today's tutorial, and I will see you next week.